back,
how you're
guys.
doing with the news about Lee. Look,
You know what I'm
if you didn't
saying?
want to work there
Today I
anymore,
wanted to wear
May
something
and
with
I
a
would
little
understand.
flair.
I did want to quit when I heard.
Hence the bag on the head.
Then I remember what my dad used to say. A hero's just a guy who doesn't give
Last
up.
episode,
That's true.
Doc Ock
Assuming he's doing
became
the right thing.
the true
I
Doc
got
Ock.
you that job. I'd hate
His
for you to
villain
keep
arc
doing it if you
started.
think it's wrong.
We beat
the
Martin
people
Lee.
here.
He's in the raft.
Nothing Martin Lee did is their fault. They need help and I'm helping them.
We beat Martin Lee in the
I think
raft.
Dad would want me to stay. I think he'd be proud.
I know he would. And
And
Miles,
we got this pointless
I'm proud of
conversation.
you too. Anytime you want to talk, just call.
Thanks, Pete. Gotta go. May just gave me a list of all the supplies to get. All right, later.
Attention units. Hostiles are assaulting an armored car. Please proceed to Bowery.
Demons are out of control. Terrorizing me. Heart-to-heart time. Were you not loved enough as Demon Baby? Congratulations, Captain. You got the City Hall bomber.
We got him.
Tomato, tomato. My point is, you've been burning the candle at both ends lately. You should take a vacation.
I'm not exactly the tourist type. But once we've rounded up the rest of Lee's people, maybe I will. No planes, no suitcases, just uninterrupted sleep.
Oh, you are a party animal. But hey, whatever floats your cruise ship. Or doesn't. You've earned it. Demons seem to be gearing up for something big.
We have made it back to the feed center. My guess is we're going to see Aunt May, possibly Miles. Yeah, Aunt May.
Peter,
You okay?
I'm getting by.
I don't know how I feel about you running this place all by yourself.
And these people need help. If I lose a few hours of sleep, so be it.
So have you heard from Mr. Lee since?
No. But the Martin I know couldn't have done that. Whatever's become of him, that's not the one I want to remember. So, how are things with MJ?
Oh, well, you know, she's, it's complicated.
It's complicated, yeah.
Honesty. That's what got me and Ben through the rough patches.
You guys had rough patches?
Oh, sure. Especially when we were your age. So, are you honest with her? Does she know the real you?
Hey, turn it up. I want to hear this.
A spokesperson for the police has confirmed that this was the truck carrying the device used in the Grand Central Terminal attack.
Oh, it never ends.
Nah.
Peter?
Bro, don't never get no wins.
Captain Watanabe, leave a message.
Even when a nigga
Yuri,
win,
where are
he
you?
losing.
Call me when you get this. I just hope the Devil's Breath is still there. And still secure.
Over.
What has become of New York? These demons are like menaces and shit. Like, what the fuck? They are literally destroying the city. Literally destroying the city. We have made it to the convoy. You see the status of the Devil's Breath. I mean, there's the bomb. I don't think the container's in the bomb, though. Yeah, the
The
container's
Devil's Breath is
gone.
gone, but we got
Even bigger
Fuck.
problems.
Rikers?
We have to hurry. Hop on.
What happened?
It was a coordinated attack. Must have the outside. Every cell block is breached. We're minutes away from every prisoner and Rikers walking right up 5th Avenue.
What about the raft?
Should be okay. It's a Supermax facility. Better security and a separate power grid.
Good. What about the Devil's Breath?
Sable's handling it.
Do you trust them?
Do I have a choice?
Not really.
Uh-oh. Should've worn your seatbelt.
Let's get to it.
Take him out! Hurry!
I'm on it. Spider-Man!
All inmates return to your cell. Return to your cell. This is your last warning.
I think you guys need a little more plan in your escape plan.
Let's go.
Damn it! They got into the armory.
Is that bad? That sounds bad.
It means some of the inmates are armed with rocket launchers.
Yeah, that's
With
bad.
rocket
I'm on it.
launchers? What the hell?
You guys
No.
go back to your cells and behave. We can forget this ever happened.
No, I gotta catch them. Gotta catch those, sir. All them niggas dipped? Ah, fuck. Yep. Nope. Bro, how did they let this shit happen? Dumbass nigga. Come here. Yep. 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 Yep.
Nice. I still see a few more out in the yard.
Who thought it was a good idea to bring rockets into a prison?
Come in. This is Sergeant Hansen. Anyone on this channel?
This is Captain Watanabe. Where are you?
Electrical access.
go.
Rooftop near cell block D. Trying to restore power. That you in the chopper?
Affirmative. What happened here?
Yeah.
No idea. The power went out, then all hell broke loose.
Hold tight. We'll get to you as soon as we can.
Show you what I got. How you like this?
Oh, these niggas are custers. Nope. Fuck us. Come on.
Spider-Man, can you get to that rooftop? There's an officer calling for help up there.
On my way.
They got electrical
Someone's trapped
pipe.
behind that door.
Yep. 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 On it. Excuse me, sir. Nope. Weak bullets. Sit that shit down now. You ain't doing nothing, my nigga. Come here. Couple broken bones.
They're coming!
Where is everybody? They're attacking my car!
Bro, they're on these niggas like zombies, dude. What the hell?
Help the warden. I'll keep working on getting the power restored. Right, I'm on it.
Hurry before they kill us! Never going back to lockup! Hey, warden! Come on out! Been looking forward to this! What's the matter? Scared? Now you know how it feels! Watch out for that web jump back inside!
Sir. Sir. Yep. Yep. Sir. Yes, sir.
Gotta take them all out. Feel this!
None of that nonsense. Nope. 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 Swing too slow, nigga. Like money made. What's up, man? What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? You good, Warden?
Could this get any worse?
It can always get worse.
Attention staff! Any block is compromised! Get out there, guys! Down!
Oh, man. Nigga, Custer grenade is no joke.
Good work. Just a few left.
Nigga, what? Tripping. There's a sniper somewhere. I got hit by that. Nope. Oh, oh my god. Get the fuck on.
Just a couple more.
Get the fuck on. All that sniping shit, nigga.
They're stealing
Yes,
a
sir.
chopper.
God damn, these niggas are horrible. Oh yeah, Pete.
License and registration, please.
Shit's so hard.
Okay, looks like things are somewhat under control.
I thought you said the raft was secure.
It was. Let's go. Maybe it's not as bad as it looks.
Love the optimism. But in my experience, when it looks bad, it's usually worse. Look out!
Ooh, that's Electro.
Yuri!
I'm slipping!
Gotcha. Hold on! You okay?
Yeah.
Welcome
Welcome to the party. Just in time for the fight.
Let's go. One of my A-list villains. Let's go.
Looks like we made parole, boys.
Electro? Why is he letting everyone out?
I'll head for the main control center and see how bad the situation is.
Got it. I'll go join the party. Everyone just quietly go back into your cell and lock the door behind you, okay? Please?
I'm gonna cut you, spider.
Yep. Yeah, just give me my fair ones.
Get ready. Not going back inside. Put that weapon. Out of your league.
Who's out? Who's out of whose league? Nut nigga. Okay. Back the fuck up. Kick him in his face. Yep. 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 Okay, let's go. I got a Hall of Fame defense. Hall of Fame defense.
Here comes the pain. Getting us out. Get it up.
Let's go.
Not going back inside.
Let's go. I just want like 20 of them. 20 of them.
That doesn't sound good. Oh, hi, Rhino.
Is that the Rhino?
Hope you like surprise, spider.
Okay,
Surprise. What is he talking about?
let's get it.
Hey, what's your status?
Me? Just trapped in a prison with every criminal I put away in the last...
This is too good to be.
Scorpion?
Scorpion,
Oh my
can you hold on
god.
a minute? I was in the middle of a phone call and it was business.
They are everywhere, bro. This is like worst case
Lost you for a
scenario.
second there. You okay?
Not really. Electro, Rhino, and now Scorpion are all on the loose. What's going on in the rest of the prison?
Camera system's almost up. I'll give you a sit rep soon.
Okay, I'll keep tracking Electro.
Let me show you what I got.
Okay.
Phew.
Whoa! Come on, Spider-Man. I thought this was a chase.
Gotta stop this guy.
You know, Electro tripping.
You can't stop me. But I'm flattered that you still try.
You tell me who you're working for, I'll go easy on you. Nobody ever takes me up on that offer. Gotcha.
Vulture on me too?
Time no see. We're going to have so much fun.
Sorry, no time to talk.
Let's go.
Still with me, huh?
Okay, I got the security cameras back online.
How's it look?
Well,
Vulture, don't you
it
got
looks
cancer,
like
my
the
guy?
entire population of the raft
Chill
has
out.
escaped, including Martin Lee. That makes 5 of your worst enemies that are now on the loose.
For a second there, I thought you were serious.
I am serious. I have to go. Some of them are heading into the city.
This is nuts.
I kind of nervous.
Keep chasing! Party's almost over!
Electro, stop!
How do you like my new suit?
Dashing. Where'd you get it?
It's an exclusive club.
Sit your ass down. Martin, let's get it. Weak ass nigga, you missed. Come here, Scorpion. Punch you in your oh. Didn't punch him. I don't know why you ain't punch him. Okay.
Remember, he said not to kill him.
Good idea. In fact, we don't have to do this at all if you don't want to.
Yeah, we really don't have to do this. Oh, nope. Come here, punch him in his mouth. Right now, weak ass nigga. Okay. We got tail slap. Kick him in his face. Martin, we to you. Okay, what's wrong with you? Sock him. Damn, nigga stabbed me. Fight back. Fight back, Pete. Fight back. Fight back.
Fight back! Fight back! Fight back!
First and
I can't take this shit serious. Put this bag on my head, bro. I cannot take this shit serious.
stay out of our way. Each of you has a job to do. Your debts will be repaid when we're done. Go!
The Sinister Six.
There he is!
His entrance low-key be hard, I ain't gonna lie. He look like Lester though. Dr. Octopus and Lester are low-key the same nigga anyway.
All these years. All these lies.
Them hard-ass
It's over,
goggles.
Norman. Time to give them the truth.
Them new Dolces. Nah, this nigga's a terrorist. What's up with this terrorist shit? Like, why is terrorism the first act?
On the bioterror attack. As of this hour, the number of infected
You okay?
is approaching half a million.
Fine.
There is still
Can
no
you,
update from the
can you
NCC on
pass
the
those
timetable for
out for me?
advanced
Sure.
They are working around the clock on a cure for this deadly disease. The city citywide quarantine is being heavily enforced
by Sable International, who maintain tight security over all transit points. Throughout the city, police and Sable agents continue to battle with Rikers and Raft escapees. Meanwhile, Mayor Osborn has gone on record blaming Spider-Man for the prison break and citywide sickness, and branding him a fugitive.
but he has yet to provide evidence. And many believe the mayor is just deflecting blame, since an exclusive report by the Bugle revealed that this disease originated in a secret, unregulated Oscorp laboratory here in Manhattan. Mayor Osborn insists that Oscorp
Turn
is
it off.
NBC on anti-serum, but has not provided any further evidence to support this claim.
Bro, you were right there. What the fuck? Nut ass nigga.
Dr. Octavius, why? How did I let this happen?
Just got a call from the hospital. They said you went AWOL.
I need to get back to work.
The doctor said you still have 14 broken bones.
Which means I have 192 non-broken ones. Thanks for taking care of me, by the way.
The hard part was keeping you hidden from Sable. They've branded you a priority target, you know.
I humbly accept the honor. What is happening to our city, Yuri?
I don't know. Feels like the end of the world. Maybe it is.
Well, guys.
I'm here to help.
Good.
I want to say...
Gangs of escaped prisoners banding together and taking over entire city blocks. Looting, strong-arming local residents, you name it.
I'll take care of him. What else you got?
The mayor told Silver Sable to do whatever it takes to find Lee and Octavius. So she's just rounding people up indiscriminately, holding them captive in bases around the city. I've even heard rumors of enhanced interrogation tactics.
You mean torture? Don't worry, I'm on it. This is our city, Yuri. It's time we take it back.
Great. My men are tracking the supervillains. I'll update you when we make progress. For now, do your best to stabilize the city.
Alright, guys. So... we finna go take out some checkpoints. And then I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.
Need immediate response at Union Square.
Let me go!
Spider-Man, the Raft MVPs are back on the grid, laying siege to our police precincts. My men need your help, now. Get to a vantage point in Midtown and I'll explain.
On my way. Is it Octavius?
No, two of his flunkies, still searching for the doctor. I have to be honest, that one scares me. Might be the smartest supervillain I've ever encountered.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Hold tight, Captain.
I'm literally legit getting shot at.
Report of a break-in. Officers in Murray Hill. Stand by for further instruction.
Okay, Captain, got eyes on. Fill me in.
Rhino's assaulting the Upper West Precinct. Electro's at the Upper East. We need you to turn the tide. Head to either. They're both equally screwed.
I go to Rhino. Well, guys, look like I'm finna bless y'all with me taking out Rhino, so see y'all at the precinct. Rhino or Electro, whichever one I see first.
Peter, are you available? We need help at Feast's sister site uptown.
The Veterans Center in Harlem. What's wrong?
Men from Rikers are demanding food and supplies. The staff are barricaded inside, but they need help. Miles and I are headed there to evacuate the staff.
Don't do anything until I get there, May. I'll meet you in Harlem. May sounds exhausted. I really hope she isn't sick. I need to help Yuri, then get to Harlem.
All units, immediate assistance requested. Officers are under fire. Officers...
Bro, this is literally Gotham City right now. I feel like I'm in Gotham.
I'm nearing the Upper East Precinct.
Good. Electro and the demons are boxing my men in. The setup is
Alright, well, it looks like we whooping Electro ass.
You'll understand when you get there.
Yuri Watanabe, master of suspense.
Station is museum miles over.
These niggas in here going crazy. Electro hard though. I like his suit.
This isn't good. Transformers are charging the building, trapping the police inside. Yuri, complicated was an understatement. I'm gonna have to disable these transformers to free your men.
Even if you manage that, they'll still need your help with the demons.
That's why I'm here, ready to serve all your electricity and demon-related needs.
Yep.
Five transformers total. How did they even get that thing attached? It can't be easy to fly like that. Who trained specifically for this one obscure scenario? So many questions. 2 down, 3 to go. Man, I did not miss dealing with Electro's elaborate supervillain antics while he was in the raft. Great. 2 left.
2 left, bet.
Only one more.
That's all it take? Oh, yes, sir. Oh. I'm out of impact web? That's crazy. Being out of impact web is crazy. Sir. Slice shit, slice shit.
But demons aren't backing down. Need to lend a hand.
Well, I think they should add in the next game is where you can have custom finishers. Like you put custom finishers, should be hard. I'm getting my shit hit. Yeah. Yeah. No way, I just died. I was being cocky. Niggas trying a little bit too hard, my guy.
In your career, you just like AC Green. Hippopotamus was in the mud, now I'm super clean.